Hey guys, I have a question. I have a problem. I am setting up a 100-gallon saltwater tank. I went today and I bought a Curb 5 Elite protein skimmer. This thing right here. I have the salt additive. This is the system that I have. It's an older system, but the guy said that it would still work. I don't have the second little, I don't know how to set this up with a protein skimmer. I'm losing my mind. Can anybody help me? Does anybody know how to do a sump, I think is what this is called, a trickle filter with a protein skimmer? Here is the setup. I don't understand. Help.